Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some rice pudding for your Christmas desserts. All right, in a pan, we have 3 cups of cooked rice, and then we're going to add 3 cups of milk to that. All right, then you want to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, and this is being cooked over medium-low heat. Sorry for not mentioning that before. Then you want a 1/2 cup of craisins or dried cranberries. And then you want a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you want the zest of 1 lemon. If you want it a little more citrusy, feel free to add the juice as well. And then you want to add, finally, 2 tablespoons of butter. Then you just want to give all this a stir around, make sure everything's nice and incorporated. And then you just want to simmer this, stirring fairly frequently, until most of the liquid is evaporated. It took me 15 minutes, but some people it might take longer, so about 15 to 25 minutes. Just go until most of the liquid is evaporated. And that's pretty much it for cooking, so let's move up to serving. All right, then just to serve this old-fashioned Christmas treat, just put it in a bowl. If you want, you can dust it with a little bit more cinnamon or a few more of the dried cranberries. But that's really it. So that's rice pudding. Done.